Hello my friends and welcome to a new vlog. After finishing the Camino de Santiago, it was time to decide where to go next. The inland flights were pretty cheap, so the decision was easy. Let's sleep at the airport and jump on a plane to the Canary Islands early in the morning. First island, Gran Canaria. I found an amazing apartment online with a beautiful view over Tufia. Tufia is a special small town with houses that are built into the cliffs and old ruins on top of the hill. It is World Heritage, so there are no shops, restaurants or cafes. You just need to take a little walk down to reach the beautiful black beach with the waves crashing right in front of the locals' doorsteps. I think black volcano sand is so elegant, how it shimmers and glitters with the sun touching it. Snorkeling here is so fun. You can see the most colorful fish, barracudas, starfish and fossils from old times. The lovely owners of the apartment offered free snorkeling equipment to enjoy the magical underwater world. Also, I became friends with a random cat. With sunset views like this one, I spent hours working on my next vlog. But then, right before I wanted to save the project, my laptop overheated and shut itself down. All the hours of work were gone. I had to go outside to calm myself down, but I was so frustrated. I put so much energy and passion into editing these videos, and at this moment it felt so senseless, like I get nothing back from it all. Not many views, no money. So why am I keep doing this?
But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
I had to remember once again that we all start from scratch. Success comes out of these moments where you don't give up. I do these videos because I love it, and I can be so grateful for you supporting my videos right now, watching them. So thank you for being here.
I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done.
I sat down and kept going, editing everything again, and finally uploading my vlog. I received so many lovely reactions from you guys. A deep thank you for that.
But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
Being by the ocean always inspires me all over again. All these patterns and shapes that the waves create in rock formations, the little stones and shells in different colors. Eckhart Tolle taught me to be fully present in places like this. Feel the prickly ground under your bare feet, smell the different fragrances of the air, hear every detail and the sounds that surround you. See the many colors that shift into each other for a bigger picture. Once again, it was time to say goodbye to a place that I loved and say hello to the city life again. I don't feel comfortable in cities anymore, and I always chase the nature parts in it. But the next stop, La Gomera, promised to be full of nature. If you want to hop islands here, it's not possible without going on a huge ferry. I wish there was a more earth-friendly possibility, but at least the view was like being in Jurassic Park. We had to cross Canary first to get on the next ferry to La Gomera. What I love most about traveling is that you always meet new friends along the way. We arrived in La Gomera pretty late. There was only one camping spot on the whole island that was on top of the mountain. We were the only ones leaving the bus at the side of the road at night. We had to find the 1.5 hour way through the dark forest with almost no reception. That was wild, but we made it. Next to the tents, there were chickens, ducks, and goats running around freely. The camping was located in a valley high above the sea level. We could even see Tenerife from up there. Many hiking paths started at Camping La Vista and went through the magical forest that we couldn't enjoy the night before. It was something I was longing for since the Camino. I really needed to hike again and breathe the fresh air. The laurel trees opened up a fairy tale world to us. I really hope you can feel the healing energy through the screen. suddenly it started to become even more mystical. I found some shells by the beach that I signed and wrote some quotes on, kind of like a business card with a loving message for a stranger. I took them with me into the fairy forest and placed them at random places so that a stranger could find them and hopefully take the message with them when in need. Then it started to rain like the sky would cry in 1,000 tears. It was still a lot to walk, and we got real wet and cold. The restaurant at the camping would soon be closed, and because we had no food left, we needed to fasten our steps. We made it in time to really yummy and soul-warming kresse soup. We only realized at the end of our stay that the camping spot was directly next to a 200-meter high waterfall that went down just right after it would make its way through our mountain valley. We had to climb down 100 steps to look back up and see the spring falling down to our feet. In a camping spot in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the mountains of Canary, with almost no phone reception. And now trying to find back to the road and a bus stop. It's a 1.5 hours walk to this bus stop, and hopefully a bus is coming because there are no timetables or something like that. So it's gonna be a hitchhike, I guess. The first car that we waved at stopped directly. It was a nice German couple that took us all the way down back to the beach. We arrived in La Calera, a tourist place with a lot of Germans. But once again, we were lucky with the hostel. A mountain view to the left side and the beach view in front, where I watched the sunset behind the ocean's horizon, covering nature in a burning orange.
Hasta el poder parece millonario, aquí la vida se pasa. Yo soy foreño, nací de aquí muy lejos, y sin embargo.
I was so happy to be back by the beach. There was this feast of the Virgin of Guadalupe, where they carried a holy statue through the villages, escorted by fireworks and live music. I didn't film much there because we spent a lot of time by the beach. After a few days, the bus was going over the mountains back to the port of San Sebastian, where the ferry back to Tenerife would wait for us. This hostel in Tenerife had free breakfast with yummy vegan options. Can you imagine how happy I was about that? I also didn't film much on the last days because we enjoyed beach times and sunset hikes one last time before heading to the next adventure. Stay tuned for a crazy plane trip. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.